Lot number 208 is a 2009 Ford F-550 XL stake truck. This one has a cab and a half. Comes with a 6.4 liter diesel engine. The motor sounds good. I've had it running for just about an hour. It has not overheated. It idles smooth, revs up nice. The automatic transmission engages and the AC blows cold. The hood does not stay up, so I had to put a piece of wood here to hold the hood up. The battery was dead, it needed a jump start. As soon as I jump started it, it cranked right up, and it's been running for just about an hour. Sounds good. I'm gonna rev it up so you can hear it. Revs up nice, feels very responsive, idle smooth, and the motor sounds good. The body is straight. The paint has some minor chips on the passenger side. I'll show you when we get there. Nap hide, stake bed appears to be in good shape. Shows some rust around the bottom of the inserts here. The bed has plenty of surface rust, but it appears to be solid and in good shape. Also comes with the tarp to cover the load. Heavy duty tow hitches included. Tires look good. Passenger side has some paint chips right there. All along the little half door has multiple paint chips. The rest of the truck looks good. It's missing a plastic piece that goes on the bumper to match the fender. The fender plastic trim. Supposed to come down to the bumper. Passenger side is missing. I'll show you what it looks like on the driver's side. Let me show you the miles in the interior. The paint still looks good. It's only that passenger side that has multiple chips. 66,000 miles. Low miles for this truck. Interior looks good. It shows normal wear and tear. The bench seat is not torn, but it's got a scuff right there on the driver's side. The tops of the seat look good. The door panels look a little faded, but still appear to be in good shape. These little half doors in the rear don't open. It feels like this handle's disconnected. Same thing on the other side. The rear seat looks good. The truck is very dirty inside and will need a good cleaning. Let me show you the passenger side. Passenger side looks good. The dashboard is not cracked. The steering wheel looks worn. And same thing, this little side door does not open. Feels like the handle may be broken or disconnected. All right. So there you have it. It's a 2009 Ford F-550 XL stake truck. Runs and drives, got cold AC, low miles. It's lot number 208. Lot number 208. Good luck.